there, fellow travelers! Are you ready to embark on a virtual journey with me to discover the top 5 cities you must visit in Asia before you die? From bustling metropolises to serene retreats, Asia offers a diverse array of destinations that cater to every traveler's taste. So grab your passports and let's dive into the vibrant tapestry of cultures, flavors, and experiences that await us in these captivating cities. Let's get started! First up on our list is Tokyo, Japan. This mega city seamlessly blends tradition and modernity, offering a unique travel experience. Tokyo is a city where the past meets the future in the most fascinating ways. Imagine exploring the historic temples of Asakusa, where the scent of incense fills the air and ancient traditions are still very much alive. Then, just a few subway stops away, you find yourself in the ultra-modern district of Shibuya, famous for its vibrant street food scene and the iconic Shibuya crossing, which sees thousands of pedestrians crossing every time the lights change. It's a sight to behold! Tokyo's fast-paced energy, juxtaposed with its peaceful gardens and shrines, makes it a must-visit destination for any traveler seeking a blend of old and new. From the neon-lit skyscrapers of Shinjuku to the tranquil beauty of the Meiji Shrine, Tokyo is a city of contrast that will leave you in awe. Next, we venture to Seoul, South Korea, a dynamic city where ancient palaces stand tall amid skyscrapers. Seoul is a place where history and modernity coexist in harmony. Dive into the bustling markets of Namdaemun and Myeongdong, where you can shop for everything from trendy fashion to traditional Korean souvenirs. Savor delicious Korean barbecue in Insadong, a neighborhood known for its artsy vibe and traditional tea houses. And don't forget to unwind at a traditional jjimjilbang, a Korean sauna, where you can relax and rejuvenate after a day of exploring. Seoul's rich history is evident in its grand palaces, such as Gyeongbokgung and Changdeokgung, where you can witness the changing of the guard and stroll through beautifully landscaped gardens. The city's vibrant pop culture, epitomized by the global phenomenon of K-pop, adds an exciting and contemporary edge to your visit. Our third destination is the urban paradise of Singapore. This city-state packs a punch with its stunning skyline, lush green spaces, and diverse culinary scene. Take a stroll along the futuristic gardens by the bay, where towering super tree structures and climate-controlled conservatories house an incredible array of flora. Sample mouth-watering street food at hawker centers, where you can try local favorites like Hainanese chicken rice and chili crab. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Chinatown and Little India, each offering a unique glimpse into Singapore's multicultural heritage. The Marina Bay Sands, with its iconic rooftop infinity pool, offers breathtaking views of the city. Meanwhile, the Singapore Zoo and Night Safari provide unforgettable wildlife experiences. From the bustling shopping district of Orchard Road to the serene Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Singapore is a city that seamlessly combines natural beauty with urban sophistication. For our fourth stop, we jet off to Hong Kong. This vibrant city offers a harmonious mix of Eastern and Western influences, creating a captivating multicultural ambience. Hong Kong is a shopper's paradise, with bustling Nathan Road offering everything from luxury brands to quirky street markets. Feast on dim sum in traditional tea houses, where you can savor a variety of bite-sized delicacies. Don't miss the chance to soak in panoramic views from Victoria Peak, which provides a stunning vantage point over the city's iconic skyline. The city's fusion of cuisines, from Cantonese to international, makes it a gastronomic delight. Explore the historic Manmo Temple, take a ride on the Star Ferry across Victoria Harbour, and hike the Dragon's Back Trail for breathtaking coastal views. With its dynamic blend of old and new, Hong Kong is a city that will leave a lasting impression. Now, before we reveal our top pick, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Tokyo's Shibuya crossing is one of the busiest intersections in the world, with thousands of pedestrians crossing every time the lights change? Talk about organized chaos. It's a symbol of Tokyo's vibrant energy and the perfect example of how the city masterfully balances its high-paced urban life with its rich cultural heritage. And our top pick is the enchanting city of Da Nang, Vietnam. Known for its pristine beaches, stunning landscapes, and rich history, Da Nang is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Relax on the golden sands of Mai Kay Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in Vietnam, where you can soak up the sun and enjoy the crystal clear waters. Da Nang's warm hospitality, mouth-watering cuisine, and picturesque scenery make it a perfect destination for those seeking a tranquil escape. From the vibrant Han Market to the serene Bana Hills, Da Nang offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you enchanted. As our virtual journey comes to an end, I invite you to share your favorite city in Asia in the comments below. Which city do you dream of visiting next? Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other to explore the wonders of the world. Whether you're drawn to the historical richness of Seoul, the modern marvels of Tokyo, the cultural melting pot of Singapore, the vibrant energy of Hong Kong, or the serene beauty of Da Nang, Asia has something to offer every traveler. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed our city hopping adventure, share it with your friends who love to travel, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Your support helps us bring more travel inspiration to you. Until next time, happy travels, and may your adventures be filled with unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining me on this Asian city escapade.